Welcome back, you guys, to another video. Today we're doing a magical pack collection opening. It's Darkrai today, so let's get started. Let me just open it. Give me a quick second. Okay, welcome back. So we got some content. Let's start with the celebration of 20 years. Different types of packs that are coming out. This is nice. Watch you keep this down. Not bad. From February to December of 2006, you will receive a different magical pack every month in special video game distribution. To get these awesome Pokemon, you'll need Pokemon X and Y, Pokemon Omega Ruby, or Pokemon Alpha Sapphire game, as well as a system of Nintendo DS family. Interesting. Okay, let's I'm going. Start off with my man Darkrai. Looks good. Let me just pause this. Alright, let's open this up. Three from the back. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Slide those in there. And let's start off with Electric Energy, not bad. Slowpoke, Machop, Paris, Tangela, right? Shumish, sorry, Charmander. Oh, it's a cute little Charmander. Raichu. Oh, and a rare. Oh my god, we had an EX. Look at that. An EX Sylveon. That is nice. Look at that. Oh my god. That is beautiful. Look at that. I can't. Let's pause that. That is nice. And then our rare is Hitmonchan. So let's take another look at this. Sylveon EX. That is nice. That is really nice. Thanks for watching, you guys. This is the end of the video. Please like, comment, subscribe. I do upload a daily pack opening. So thanks for watching. Have a good day.